Guess what time it is? It's oil change time. Hey, you get to see me do some work. So I'll go out today and get all the things I need to change the oil in the car and the truck, bring it home tonight, and realize I got a light bulb out in the right rear on the truck. Bad bulb. So I get that fixed first. Oil change on the car went by without a hitch. Install a new filter. Just like that. Then the oil change on the truck, well, that was a little bit of a different story. Kind of made a mess, got a puddle in the floor while I was checking something out. Damn it. I wasn't paying any attention. I got a big puddle of oil over here. Yay! So I took a while to clean that mess up. Click. So that's probably about it. I got my fingers dirty. Anyway, we're done. It's all buttoned up. It's 2:30 in the morning. Time to go to bed. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs up. We thank you for watching, and please tune in again. Cool thing about the truck, I don't have to jack it up.